Hey everybody, how's it going? This video is about sometimes you should just try to go to the dealer and buy stuff instead of buying parts aftermarket on eBay. This here, I think this is called a speed nut, I'm not sure. This and this bolt here, which is a T55, these are used to hold the bed on Ford Ranger. This is a 2006 that these pieces came off of. These are the original from what I can tell. A long time ago, long before I bought this truck, I bought a replacement kit for this stuff, this hardware here, in case I ever needed it on one of my other trucks. As any long-time subscribers know, I've had several of these. Well, the kit that I bought on eBay was about $45, and I've had it sitting in the package for over a year waiting to use it because I want to replace the bed on my other truck, the 99 that I still have. And I'm glad I didn't use that kit on that truck because the kit that I bought is an absolute piece of trash. Let me get into it. I wish I had one of the pieces left out, but unfortunately I've got 5 out of 6 of them mostly installed. So the kit that I bought has these speed nuts and it has similar bolts. This is a longer one. There were 2 longer ones and 4 shorter ones, which is how it's supposed to be. The kit that I bought has, I think, an 8mm hex head on it, which I like better. But one of them had a great big, I threw it in the trash, but it was a great big sharp burr hanging off of it, which should have been my first clue. Second issue is this speed nut here. This has, I don't know if that's a yeah, that's got to be some kind of locking thing. I don't know. But the part to replace this is wider. It's made out of lousy steel, so it's easy to bend. And then the threaded part is actually separate. It's a nut that rests inside of a cutout for a nut in this piece, so it keeps fucking moving. So now, when I'm trying to tighten up the bolts, it's actually going to be a 2-person job because one person has to go underneath, put their finger on this part to hold it up straight, while the other one is on top cranking away at the wrench. It's absolutely stupid. I should call Ford and see how much it is to buy that kit. I bet you it's not $45. I bought this kit before I ever bought anything from the dealer themselves and actually saved money and paid less at the dealer than I would on eBay. Anyway, that's my rant. Thank you for watching, and I'll show you the truck soon. Bye-bye.